Hello wood mice and dormice, and welcome back to our maths learning for this week. We're going to start off, just like in our last session, with a little bit of estimating, and then we're going to move on to our part-whole model. Estimating is all about making a sensible guess. So in a moment, I'm going to show you a jar with some stars in, and you're going to have a guess at how many there are, but without counting them. So I'm not going to give you very long to look at them. Are you ready? How many do you think there are? Let's count and see. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 stars in A. So if you guessed a number close to 10, well done. That means that you made a really, really good estimate. Let's have a look at our next jar now. So A had 10. Have a look. Do you think B has got more or less than A? I can see that it has got a less star, so it's going to be a number smaller than 10. What did you estimate for that one? Let's have a look and see how close you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So jar B has 6 stars. So well done. If you guessed a number close to 6, that means you made a really, really good estimate. Here we have our part-whole model, and we were having a look at this yesterday, or in our last session, and seeing how many ways we could split 6 into 2 parts. We're going to do the same today, but with 7. So make sure that you have got your 7 part-whole model in front of you, and you have got 7 objects. So I'm going to use hearts, but you can use small objects that you have at home. So remember, 7 is our whole, and we've got a part here and a part here. So I'm going to start by putting 1 heart in there, and I'm going to put the rest of my hearts in this part over here. And as I'm doing it, I'm going to check and make sure I haven't left any of my hearts in the hole. Yep, I've got them all. So I'm going to get my pen, and I'm going to write down, I've got 1 here, and I've got 6. So 7 is a whole, 1 is a part, and 6 is a part. And if I was to put my 1 and 6 back together, I would still have my 7. So I'm going to challenge myself to write that as a number sentence now. So I've got 1 add 6 equals 7. So 1 and 6 is 7, 1 is a part, 6 is a part, and together it gives me 7. I'm going to see now if I can split my 7 in a different way. So still splitting it into 2 parts. I'm going to see this time if I can do it another way. This time I'm going to put 2 in this part, and I'm going to put the rest in this part here. Right, let's see what we've got this time. So I can see I've got 2 hearts here, so I'm going to write 2, so I can remember that one. And I have got 5 here. So this time, making 7, my 2 parts are 2 and 5. How would I write that as a number sentence? So 2 add 5 equals 7. Now, as you're doing this, you might like to write the numbers like I've done under here, or it would be great to see if you can challenge yourself to write the number sentences as well. I'm going to push them back up to the top now, back into my hole. So I've still got my 7 hearts. And I'm going to challenge you now to see how many ways you can split the 7 into 2 parts. Once you've done it, you can ask a grown-up to take a photo of your learning, or they might like to write a little message and tell us how you have got on for this week.